Hey y'all, it's Mike. Let's talk about Previz. I just wanted to jump into the Previz window and show you some of my favorite things about it and where it's really useful. I use it quite a bit. If I'm writing a program that is more than just a simple one, before I even run the program, I'll jump into the Previz just as a quick sanity check, make sure everything looks just like I want it to, and I don't have anything funky going on. So let's go ahead and jump in and I'll point out a few things. Okay, so let's start with the basics. This is the Previz window. There's a couple of lines that you see showing up, and let me explain those really quick. The blue line that you see here is the camera path. That is the path that the camera is taking, while the green line is the target, the path that you're tracking with the camera. Now you notice that I have a yellow line on my camera path. That is because I run into a warning. So what's also really cool about this, if I go into my timeline, I open up that tray, it will actually show me where I'm running into these situations, these issues, and it even highlights the joints that are having trouble. So here it shows that I've got joint 5 is running into a limit there. I've got another one back here where I approach a singularity. So that can be really helpful, especially if your program's not compiling. This can help you see what's going on, because the thing is, the physical robot may not be able to run a program if it's approaching a singularity or joint limit, but a virtual robot can, and it shows you and highlights those areas. So let's go back to our window here. I'll close the timeline. I'll just kind of show you how to use this Previz window. So you can turn it with a single finger. You can rotate, it just rotates around the robot. You can use 2 fingers to pinch zoom and to actually pan left and right. And then you go back to 1 finger to rotate. You've also got these preset views. If I want to check out the robot from the right, I can just tap on that. I've got a front view, a left view, and so forth. And if I can just reset to go to that basic isometric view. I've also got joint values here. So yet another tool to help you troubleshoot if you are running into some trouble spots. And again, it has an indication of getting close to the singularities or joint limits. So one more thing I want to show you. I'm going to back out to my timeline. And this is a new feature with CC Lab 3.0. Let's say you've got a really long program, maybe a music video, right? It's 3 or 4 minutes long. Your Previz window is going to be really cluttered up with a lot of lines. So what you can do is you can long press on your cursor head, do start selection, select a portion of your program, and say preview selection. Now it's only going to pull up the Previz for those couple of moves. So that is a quick overview of Previz and CC Lab.